basically, I just woke up today, and there was a storm last night, and so, about probably 12 o'clock, and, ow, there was a bunch of stuff flown everywhere. When I mean everywhere, I mean, like, everywhere, like, this, and then, well, the yellow tarp that I had over my dad's truck, or car, it's, yeah, it got flown everywhere. It got flown, it has been flung across the front yard to here, all the way to here. I didn't know storms can be that strong where I live, in Uniontown in Kentucky. I did not know that it would be this strong. But let's see what else there is that's been moved and flung everywhere. Well, my chair didn't fling. I tell you that now. My chair, if I can find my chair. My chair has not flung. The garage is not destroyed. I know I look like a mess, but because I just woke up and I went in there and told my mom it's flung over here in front of the house. So basically, I have to move it with my brother and my dad, and we're gonna forget about it. So if y'all don't know my name, it's Jordan Isney, but I'm getting ready to start my own YouTube channel. So, well, basically, I want to start, but it's going to take me a while. So, I will get back to y'all later. See y'all.